Hi, I'm Nate Moore. This is Excel video 195. What I have here is my PM system has dumped me a list of Dr. Smith's next available appointments. And what I want to know from this list is the third next available appointment that we can schedule somebody. And that's going to be a measure for me of how booked this doctor is and do I need to have more specialists or more providers in this location or whatever. There's a clever function to do exactly that, and it's called small. And what small will do, if we click here, is from an array or from a range, from a group of cells, A3 to A14 that I've defined right here, it says, give me the third smallest. That's what this K is, the kth smallest value in a data set. It says if you want the third smallest number in this group of dates, the third earliest date in this group of dates, then you just put a 3 there. And it'll go down and say, all right, there's the first, there's the second, there's the third. I've sorted these. You don't have to sort them. I just sorted them to make it easy to see. But you can see, okay, the third next available appointment for Dr. Smith is on October 5th at 10. And if you wanted to say, no, I really want the 5th, that's simple. It'll go down through the list and pick off the 5th one or the 10th one or the first one or whatever it is you want to see. The first one you can do easily with the min function. But if you want anything besides the first one, small is the way to go. Just give it the range you want to look in and the number you want to find, and Excel will do that. The reverse of small is large, and large works the very same way. What I have here is just a payer mix, and my payers, I know Medicare and Blue Cross are big for this practice. I know those are number 1 and number 2. The question is, who's number 3? And what I can do is I can do this formula here with large, just say, okay, here is my list of, in column B, my payer mix percentages, and I say there's Blue Cross and Medicare, I know that. Who's number 3? And number 3 is going to be CIGNA, or number 5 is going to be 3%, and that 3% is Aetna. But notice what it's doing here. If I come back here, what it's finding is not Aetna or CIGNA, it's finding 5%. That's what it's finding. It's finding 5% is the third biggest value in here, and that's true. If you want to know who has the 5%, we're going to go back here to index and match. If you haven't watched the index and match videos, this isn't as bad as it looks. But what index and match says is I'm going to go find, see right in the middle of this large B18 to B24 is this formula right here. So this large B18 to B24 is going to find the 5%. And then what match says is go find the 5% in B18 to B24. When you find it here, now I know which row I want. I know I want the column 1 to get the name. And index will come back and tell me it's CIGNA. So you can combine large or small with index and match to get not just the largest or smallest value, but who has the largest or smallest value. That's what I wanted to show you today, small and large, and there's several different applications for them that I think you'd find helpful in a medical practice. Stay tuned next time. I've got some more functions for you. Thanks for watching.